Hello guys, my name is Pranesh Rai. I'm BSc Mathematics of third semester. I'd like to thank you for this episode and other the teachers to such a great opportunities. Mm, And my topic is Michelson-Morley experiment and the postulates of STR. This is the Michelson-Morley postulates attempt to dictate the earth of or dictate the velocity of the earth with respect to the hypothetical luminiferous ether and a medium of the space purposed to carry light wave first performed in a this is the performed in first in Germany in 1880 to 1881. The Michelson-Morley experiment is the most famous experiment in the history of physics. Uh, this This experiment performed in a different times of the day by of the year on year. No change in the interference pattern was observed. Uh, and the Michelson-Morley experiment was result will be comes negative because in that Michelson and the Morley found the significant differences between the speed of light in the different directions of movement at the presumed ether and the speed at the right angles. Mm, and the advantage of the Michelson-Morley experiment. It can be simply can identify easily to create a very accurate when used correctly. Demerits: hard to get accurate. 50% of light can be reflected back to the source. And the key applications of the Michelson-Morley is interference are as follows. In the Michelson-Morley experiment, which leads to the which leads to the which leads to the development of the physical special theory of relativity and the detention of gravitational two layers postponed thousands of kilometers apart parts. And Einstein postulate. Einstein have their two postulates. Two postulates. First, the idea that the laws कुनै पनि ideas laws of physics are same can be same be started in their simplest form in all the interior form of Ferenc. And second postulate चाहिँ के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि the special relativity is the idea कुनै पनि special relativity of idea चाहिँ that the speed of light, that is c, is a constant independent of the relative motion of the source. And this and the advantage of the special relativity of theory postulates the great source of energy. कुनै पनि source of energy लाई चाहिँ nuclear power plants are the word on the principle of special relativity, that is E is equals to mc square. This where E is equals to mc square, where E is energy and m is mass and c is speed of L-I-G-H-T, light. And that is E is equals to mc square, where E is energy, m is mass, and c is speed of light. Theory of relativity can be could understand the universe was more deeply. And what is the laws of? The law of physics has the same form of frame in all interior reference frames, and the light propagates through the empty space which a definite speed, that is c. कुनै पनि empty spaceमा चाहिँ which can definite speed चाहिँ कति हुन्छ, c, independent of the speed of the observed. कुनै पनि independent of speed of light can be observed गर्न सक्छ हामीले. In the limits, the laws of speed, the gravity formalizations should agree with the Newton's gravity. And one thing that is माइकलसन मोर्लेले चाहिँ कुनै पनि उयो यसले चाहिँ के अरे एटेम्प्ट टु डिटेक्ट चाहिँ के गर्छ, भेलोसिटी अफ द अर्थको भेलोसिटी चाहिँ नाप्ने काम गरेको थियो. इन द उसले चाहिँ एउटा नाम दिएको थियो, जसको नाम चाहिँ हो इथर. एन्ड यो चाहिँ माइकलसन मोर्ले एक्सपेरिमेन्ट वाज पर्फर्मड इन जर्मनी इन 1880 to 1892. And thank you to all.